Yo guys, we're about to smash that TP. All right. This is B1000 here. We're about to hit our first target here. We have the second target all the way down here, right? So I am the VIP members. We've been milking it, right? We've been in massive profit since, and we're doing well. This is just very simple for anybody to replicate. I'm going to be showing you guys in this video how you can come up with good entries like this one. All right, so I'm always talking about the need to know the market direction, and if you know the market direction, it's very easy for you to win when you are scalping the boom and crash market. All right, so how do you know the market direction? You want to see series of reversal areas where you can mark as your key resistance, right? Key resistance. And you want to also see areas like that again where you can mark your key support. All right, so it's very obvious that the market, whenever it hits this level, all right, whenever it hits this level, it usually just bounces back, right? You can see with your own eyes whenever price goes to the levels marked here. All right, whenever it gets to that level, usually just goes back downwards, right? So look at it here. You see it came to this level and it dropped, came back, dropped, came back to that level. All right, broke free a little, but then the pressure wasn't too much, so it dropped again just around that level. All right, so it kept doing the same thing. Whenever it gets to that level, it just keeps dropping. All right, so this tells you that this level is a strong level, so that is where you want to mark as your key support level, your key resistance level, all right. So if you are trying to sell, to scalp the boom market, yeah, you want to be selling. If you are trying to scalp the crash market, you want to be buying. All right, that's because if you are buying the crash, you are trying to catch some candlesticks. You're not trying to catch spikes, you're just trying to catch some candlesticks and leave the market. So this is the same thing as when you are um trying to scalp the boom market, right? You want to just catch a couple of candlesticks and leave the market. And when you are selling, when you are scalping, sorry, I you need to just understand that you should be taking a couple of candlesticks from the market, knowing where the market is going to. All right, so here we have price come to the key support level, the key resistance level here. All right, and why is it the key resistance level? Because we've seen a couple of touches around that level, right? You can count me 1, 2, 3, 4 touches around that level. That means price usually reverses when it gets to that level. All right, it's the same level here, the same level here, the same level here. So you always have to back test to see what price has been doing at your key level over time, like for a very long time. What has price been doing at your key level? So if you keep going back, you keep seeing that whenever price gets to that area, it just keeps reversing. So up to if you see up to if you see up to like 6 touches at the same level, then that is actually the level you are looking for. All right, if you see like 6 touches at the same level, that's actually the level you're looking for. So when you mark your key resistance level, you don't want to just jump in the market. We're about to smash that TP. Okay, we're just very close. All right, so when you mark your key resistance level, all right, you don't want to just jump in because price has come to that level. You want to understand the movement, the candlestick movements, that's to say the pressure in the markets, who are which people are occupying the market more, which people are dominating the market. Which is it the sellers, is it the buyers, what force are you seeing in the market? So you need to look out for that too. And also, if you understand chart patterns, that will be very helpful. All right, so you need to look out for all of these conditions at your key level, at your support or resistance level. All right, so when you do this, you are actually in the right direction. So price coming to the key level here, you can see that whenever it comes to this level, what happens is it just keeps going back down to this other level. All right, it goes up to this level, around that level to react and then pull back downwards. Let me just quickly mark out this other area for you to understand better. So price coming back downwards means, or price coming up to this level and then reversing around that level means it's trying to come back to retest this other zone. This other zone is the key support zone where price is always pulling back from, right? So if you happen to meet the market around here, you should be looking out for selling opportunities. How do you look out for selling opportunities? You just have to switch to lower time frames and look out for selling pressure in the market. How do you see selling pressure in the market? You just have to see a couple of rejection around that level, right? See a couple of rejections around that level on each and every time frame from the 4 hours time frame downwards. All right, so you need to be seeing a lot of rejections around that level. By rejections, I'm talking about a candlestick like this, right, with the long wicks, all right, pointing downwards. That's easy to identify. That's very easy to identify. But if you understand how to use chart patterns, you should look out for your favorite chart pattern on that level, and then also still look out for candlesticks or rejections, right? Because the rejections is very important. Those candlesticks with the long wicks above and the body pointing downwards are very important. So you just need to be sure that you spot them. All right, if you see them on each and every time frame, you're about to smash the take profit level. Can't even wait. I can't even wait. So if you see those conditions at your key level, guys, if you see it at your key level, you need to know your account capacity. You need to know how many candlesticks you want to cash out from the market. All right, how do you tell your capacity? Of course, you look at lot size you use. You look at your account, your equity. All right, you don't want to stay too long in the market because a spike might come in and take you out. But then for you to be able to avoid spikes, the kind of spikes that will harm your account if you are scalping the market, yeah, that's why you should look out for really strong selling pressure in the market. You need to see very strong selling pressure in the market. What do I mean by that? Let's go back to the 1 hour, the 4 hours time frame. Now you notice that there is a long candlestick, with the very long wick here, candlestick with the very long wick here, and then the body pointing downwards with little or no candlestick, little or no wick at all. Look at the candlestick we're talking about. This is a very strong this is a candlestick signaling a very strong buy selling pressure, right? This is a candlestick signaling a very strong selling pressure. You can see the wick came all the way from here, pull price downwards, pull the body of the candlestick down to this level, guys, down to this level, and then the market closed just around that level. All right, the market closed just around that level. So this is a very strong candlestick that shows you the selling pressure, in the market. So seeing this on the 4 hours time frame is very important because the 4 hours time frame is a very significant time frame. The 4 hours time frame shows you a better picture of the market, a better view of the market than lower time frames, right? So this is a key secret. You need to be able to follow this very well, and then you'll be able to win from the market. You can see how much you've made already, right? This is you can see this is the entry. This is the entry right here. You can see how many candlesticks you've taken from the market. All right, let's look at it from the 30 minutes time frame. All right, you see how many candlesticks you made from the market. So if you see a very strong selling pressure at your key level with every other confirmation that I talked about, every other condition that I mentioned earlier, if you see them complete on your key level, guys, then you are sure that spikes will come, but they won't harm your account, right? A couple of spikes might just come in to threaten you, and those spikes are because the market will not just go all the way down, right? It has to create a structure, it has to form something in the so that you can see the higher highs and the higher lows on your charts, right? So that makes sense. A lot of guys on my VIP group have made a lot of money from this market already. All right, so you guys should just join the free Telegram group. On the description of this video, I'll be posting the link. So you join in and subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that yet. Smash the like button so we can go viral. Let's talk on the next session.